So we've got his body set up. We'll slide this in and into its grooves where it belongs. Then get the metal bracket, spring rolling bracket with a screw, and we're going to put that in its place. So secure. Put this plate in first on its own. Hopefully get magnus secured. Your chest plate in place. Got a magnetic screwdriver here, so that's without the screw disappearing hopefully. Get it in place. Screw it down. That's that nice and tight. And that's that working perfectly. Next step is put the top half of the torso on. Job right here. 2 screws. Need the head out of the way. There you got 2 screws, one there and one that goes there. They fit into these 2 points here. So just slide that on top first, make sure it sits right. Like that. And just find the 2 screws, put it in. Okay, let's put the 2 screws in. It's a bit tricky to get on camera. That's that one in. Screw it nice and tight. And 2. That's this all tremendous. So I'll put that together. I'm lucky quite well, if I do say so myself. Nice and chromy. Right, next to put on is the arms. So, to do the arms, we need, okay, get a screw. We notice I've put a clamp on to hold it together for the time being. This bottom screw in first. Put that one here, I don't think. Okay, I have all the parts together. So, first of all, get the bottom part of the arm, and where the fist goes, you put in this little piece, which is his headlight in truck mode and his fist holder when he transforms into robot mode. Put that in place there. Then you got this metal piece that sits over this peg. If you notice his teeth there, and his teeth on this side, they go together like that. So that's a ratchet mechanism with that spring on top. Then all you do is you get this piece, give the side of the arm, place it over at the top, holding the 2 together, like so. And then just apply the screws. Which could be a bit fiddly. Second. One and 2. Unit ratchet mechanism, and that's it all together. That's the bottom half of the arm done. Let's look at the top half of the arm. You need this. Give me 1 second here, let's see if I can get this metal plate out. Right, we've got this metal plate here. That, you get the front part of the arm, you put it in that way round. There's a little slot there. So you slot it in. Sits in like that. Okay. Then you take this part of the arm. You can slot it in like that. putting the smokestack back in place. There, like that. And this is where it gets a bit tricky. If you begin your trainers again, you got this ratchet mechanism. There. That goes onto the arm there. Now it does have a little mark there on the end of it. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not. But it does have a little mark on the end of it. A little tab. So that sits in there like that. So that's on there. I think you see it more clearly now there. Then, taking the arm, hold it all together, just make it tricky, slide it into place, which it should sit nicely there like that. You need to take this back piece, which you then put on, click it in, so it's held in position, put the 2 screws back in, one on top there and one there, and that is the arm done. There's the screws actually. Oops. Again knocking the camera, whoa. I think the right screws, they're too big. So just bear with me. Okay, got the screws. It's just a case of dropping them in like that. And then screwing it in like so. That one in. Take the clamp off. Same for the other side. Like so. There you go. Get down in, and he's looking pretty good. Now let's just repeat on this opposite side.